Is your Samsung phone still showing storage full even after deleting files? Don't worry. This is a hidden system issue many users face. In this video, I'll show you the exact process to clean up your phone and fix the storage problem instantly. Process 1. Open Device Care and check storage. First of all, go to your Settings app on your Samsung phone. Scroll down and tap on Battery and Device Care. Now open the storage section. Here you will clearly see how much internal storage is used and what is taking up space, like apps, system files, images, videos, and other data. This is your starting point to understand what's actually filling your phone. Process 2. Empty trash, recycle bin. Now go back and stay inside Device Care, Storage. Scroll down and find the recycle bin or trash section. Samsung keeps deleted files here for some time, which still uses your storage space. Tap on each app such as Gallery My Files Messages. Then tap Empty or Delete All to permanently remove those files. This step alone can free a surprising amount of storage. Process 3. Remove unused apps. Next, go back and look for unused apps inside Device Care. You will see apps that you install but rarely or never use. Select those apps and tap Uninstall. Removing unused apps is one of the fastest ways to instantly free up storage and improve phone performance. Process 4. Delete duplicate files. Now open the duplicate files section. Sometimes your phone stores multiple copies of the same image, video, or document without you realizing it. Select all unnecessary duplicate files carefully. Then tap Delete to remove them permanently. Process 5. Clean large files. Next, go to Large Files inside Storage Management. These are usually videos, downloaded files, or media that take up huge space. Scroll through the list and review carefully. Delete anything you don't need anymore, especially old videos or large downloads. Even removing a few big files can free GBs of storage instantly. Process 6. Delete system junk files. Go back to Device Care again and tap Optimize Now. This will automatically scan your phone and remove junk files, temporary system cache, and background clutter. It helps refresh your phone's performance and clears hidden storage usage. Process 7. Clear app cache data. Now go to Settings, then scroll down and open the Apps page. Open heavy apps like Facebook, TikTok, Instagram. Tap on each app, then go to the Storage menu, then tap Clear Cache. Important: do not tap Clear Data unless necessary, because that may log you out. Cache files build up over time and silently take a lot of space. Process 8. Restart your phone. Finally, after completing all the processes, restart your phone. This helps refresh the system, fix incorrect storage readings, and stabilize performance. Sometimes Android doesn't update storage immediately, and a restart fixes that issue. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tech tutorials.